All right. Welcome back, everybody. Welcome back. Welcome back. Happy Friday. Hope everyone's doing great. Obviously, this is Mike. I'm your host, aka FX Dinero, one of the trading coaches here at WB Trading, guys. As usual, just jumping right into everything. We're going to be doing things a little today just to kind of test things out and kind of see how this works a little bit better. If you guys like the other way, please, by all means, let me know. But yeah, as always, guys, again, this is Mike, professional day trader here, guys, managing over $1 million in funds, which can be verified here. I always like to show you guys to let you know that this isn't just some random strategy or anything like that. This is actually certified, which again can be looked at here, right? And then for those of you who don't know, WB Trading is a educational company, of course, and we've been around for more than a decade, guys. And our biggest thing is teaching people and getting over 80% of our traders profitable. All right, that's our main thing. That's what we're good at. That's what we're known for. That's what established us as leaders in this industry, in this space, guys. Um, so yeah, jumping right into it. Always, as you guys know, I like to check the news here first, just to make sure. Oh, yep. So we literally just had news, right? So this, definitely want to notate this. Those of you who've been watching for quite some time already know this. Always like to start off with this, right? GBP has high impact news at 2 p.m. EST, right? Um, if you guys got any questions, man, to a breakout for you. Yeah, see, that's the thing. I feel like every time we have major news like this is what happens. So I always want to be careful about that. And then if I look at the bot here, right? Got the daily setup. Um, right, so obviously this just came out, guys, at 2, so literally 2 minutes ago. But yeah, so just doing things just a bit different here today, right? Um, Instead of marking up the charts how we typically do, I'm just going to jump right on over to where the bot is actually housed, right? That's why you see this picture, right? That's where this actually comes from. And once again, guys, if you got any questions, let me know, right? And then, so that's what this is, right? This actually just automatically posts from here, okay? So instead of me marking up the charts moving forward and doing all of that crazy stuff, um, I'm just going to go ahead and let this go here, right? So as you can see, we already have this range, which the overnight low and the overnight high is, right? So this is exact. Overnight low is 26.53. And then if we check out the overnight low here, uh, 26.53, right? And then we got the highest 26.74, right? 26.74. All right, so we're literally right here, and yeah, it looks like this is about to go ahead and break, which is going to be super cool because as you can see, right, guys, there's no trade here, and then in a few moments, this is going to automatically execute on this account, right? This is one of the cool things about the pro community. You guys get access to this trading bot that will execute this exact strategy for you, right? Which is super neat in itself. So let's check this out. Boom, as you can see, it automatically executed the trade right in front of you guys. So yes, super cool about that, right? And then yeah, so we got the buy signal. Whoa, let's is going a little bit funky here, right? What we do here today, guys? We got something going on. Is it executing on? We got GU entry, GU. Whoa, something is definitely off here today. Let's hope this didn't go too bad. Right? Um, yeah, this is insane. So we just got a bunch of GU entries that's looking like. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is cut this thing off here. Actually, it already should have been off. That's the crazy thing. Uh, let's check this out. Yeah, so it's actually only executed once here, which is good. All right, so let's see what's going on here. All right, cool. So at least we got this. This looks like this is pretty regular. Hopefully this does run up and hit it right away. I do want to notate this in the journal, right? GU and early entry right after news. I went berserk. All right. What do we got here? Check these out. There we go. Absolutely, absolutely. So cool. While that is doing its magical thing, close this out. Um, yeah. So obviously, guys, we're just waiting on this one, and then let's check out GJ. So GJ looks like this one isn't going to work. The overnight range is ridiculously high, right? Uh, so yeah, this is done here, right? Cool. So jumping back to GU, let's let this do its thing for a second. Cool. And then in the meantime, we can jump over to some pro community stuff, right? I'm sorry, jump into some advanced stuff, right? That was the pro community. That was the session momentum strategy. This would be the advanced stuff, right? Cool. So you guys know I like to jump right into this. Um, right. So starting at the top, we got NAS 100. Right. This is just now starting to turn around. Finally, we got this 1350 cross. Right. We got this pullback. Now I don't like when it touches the 200 like this. Right. So this will be a pass for me. But let's imagine it didn't. I'll be looking for the first pullback to the 50, right? And then that run down to the 80-yard low. Stops will be here, entries here, TP will be here. Keep in mind, this is what I will be looking for in New York session, guys. In the New York session, this is what I'll be looking for. This is not happening, so this is a pass, right? Uh, First thing here I notice is we got this cross here, so same thing, except I'll be looking for a pullback and M structure off the 200, right? That's not happening right now, so this is a pass. I always like to mention, guys, if you got any questions or if you want me to go over one of the pairs, right, while we're going through all this, let me know. Can definitely do that for you while we're here. Okay. Yeah, this stop loss is absolutely huge. Okay, we'll get into that in a second here. All right, next thing, same on S&P 500. We got that 1350 cross. Again, I don't like when it touches the 200 like this, but imagine it didn't. The move I'll be looking for is that first pullback to the 50, run down to the 80-yard low. Stops above here, entries here, TPs here. This is not happening yet, so this is a pass. All right. So I won't mark up all of them. Actually, I'm just gonna kind of breeze through them and see which ones I like the most. This gold, as usual, is still hitting all-time highs. We're gonna leave this alone. This thing's a monster. Same thing with silver. It's kind of just slowly following gold as well. Crude oil, same thing, just the other way. I'll be looking for W's off the 200 here, right? Bitcoin, as you guys see, is still in this super crazy range. Definitely want to leave this one alone until we get some structure going. The peso, as always mentioned, this is just what I like to look at. Euro USD, right? This was a interesting move yesterday. Not too much going on with this. EJ, I want to see some M's off the 200 going back short. ECAD, I'm not even sure why this is here. This just totally went the other way. So nothing here. EN was decent yesterday in Asia, right? This actually gave you a nice 1-for-1 exactly. That wasn't bad. EG, nothing on EG, nothing on EA. GU was so close to confirming for us in New York session yesterday, guys. But this is the importance of sticking to the strategy, right? We had this beautiful 1350 cross, as I said earlier. We got the run that did not touch the 200, right? We got this pullback to the 50. We were expecting it to just drop and go short here, and it never did, right? Stops would have been above here, entry would have been here, TP would have been all the way down here. As you see, it never confirmed, and we stayed out of this bad trade, right? So that's the importance of sticking to your strategy, guys. GJ, nothing too interesting here. GA, same thing. This is pretty ugly too. Right. What else we got? I'm going a little mess with the entry alerts. Yes, not sure what's going on there. Yeah, it went crazy on us. Got to check that out later. Not sure what's going on. GC, GN, nothing here. All right, GF. Oh, this was the second one I want to show. So once again, same exact thing. We were looking for, we had this 1350 cross. This came up, this did touch, pretty much just touched the 200, maybe not. It's a little interesting. I was gonna put a half a position on this. I was looking for a close above that 13 EMA, right where this vertical line is. Entry would have been here, right? Stops would have been below here, entries up here. This did not work out. It never confirmed. So stayed out of two bad trades yesterday, right? Two bad trades. Actually, I did not mean to take that off, right? Either way, this was stayed out of two bad trades yesterday. Super happy about that. That's why it's important, as I keep mentioning, to stick to the script. And that was it for yesterday, what I pretty much looked at earlier. Nothing really going on for the rest of the day here. A cat, nothing's there. In U, in F. Yeah, the rest of these were pretty just regular, nothing too special. This was something that never completed as well. No 4-hour confirmation. As you see, it never closed back above here. And again, this is the third bad trade for the week that we actually stayed out of. And that's pretty much it. Cat Swiss, FJ, AN, AJ. Yeah, nothing else was doing pretty interesting or close at all. So that's really it on the event stuff, right? Yeah. Right. Let's see how it goes. Not too shabby. So yeah, it's super close. We'll see how everything pans out. Well, cool. That's pretty much it, guys. Do we got any questions about anything? Let me see. No questions. All right, guys. That's pretty much it. If you guys do want to check us out, I'll drop the links as I always do for the free Discord community. You guys can take a peek under the hood, check that out. I'll drop the links for that. Obviously, if you guys want to join the pro community, jump right in and get access to the community, get access to the trading journal, get access to the Telegram alerts, get access to the bot, everything, guys. Strategy, software support. You guys can take advantage of that in the pro community. I will drop the link for that. And then for the advanced stuff, again, we're not really taking on new people just yet, but you can still book a call, kind of jump on and talk about it and point you in the right direction from there. Other than that, guys, as always, like, comment, subscribe. Let us know how we're doing. If we suck, let us know. We can try to improve on it. If there's something we're doing great, please let us know about that as well. Yeah, hit that bell notification so you guys can know when we're going live. Other than that, enjoy your Friday. Be safe out there and have a great weekend, guys. See you on Monday.